Hello viewers, if you have already bought iPad 10th generation, in that case you need an Ipencil, and if you don't want to spend on original Ipencil, I would suggest you to go for Kingone pencil. That is a third party Ipencil compatible with all the iPads, and this pen is very good. Actually there is an offer going on Amazon.in where you can buy this Ipencil at a very attractive price. Currently the price of this pen is about 1748 rupees, and you will get 150 rupees coupons, so the effective price is 1598 rupees, and in this price it is a very good deal. So grab this deal and you will have great enjoyment using this pencil on your iPad for taking notes and doing creative tasks. Along with this Ipencil you will get 2 nibs extra, which you can use whenever this nib gets scratched or gets damaged. I have made 2 videos on this pencil, so if you want to watch those videos, links are in the description below. Note taking experience using Kingone Ipencil is actually very good. You can use all the features in default note app of iPad 10th generation or iPad Air 5th generation. If you charge once, you will get enough battery backup from this Ipencil. Actually I am getting a very good battery life from this Ipencil. I usually charge this Ipencil after 10 or 12 days, so it has a great charging capacity. You can activate this Ipencil by tapping on the top of this Ipencil. Let me show you. As you can see, the indicator is showing that there is enough charging. There are 3 indicators, and you can activate this pen, and this is the charging hole. This is a Type-C port. Okay, and in this way you can deactivate or activate the pen. You don't have to do anything else. You just have to double tap on the top of the Ipencil, and then you can start writing like this. You can scroll, you can do whatever task you want to do on your iPad. Also you can magnetically attach this Ipencil like this on the top of the iPad, but you have to position it. The magnet is not so great on iPad 10th generation, as you can see here. If you attach like this, it will fall, so you have to move like this and then it will be magnetically attached. So this is a very good Ipencil. If you want to buy, links are in the descriptions below. Hope this video has become informative. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.